Assalamu alaikum friends, I hope you're all fine. So today we'll be calculating the total time of the flight, which is the time taken by the projectile to cover distance from the place of its projection to the place where it hits the ground. So which equation of motion shall we use? As we have to find the time, we can use both first and second equation of motion. We cannot use third as it contains no time. So by the first equation of motion, Vf is equals to Vi plus At. And what is Vf here? Vf is equals to minus Viy. Why? Why is it so? We previously discussed that the final velocity is equal to the initial velocity. As both are in the opposite directions, so we take a negative sign with it. And what is Vi here? Vi is equals to Viy, which is equals to Vi sine of theta. Okay? As we have to find the total time of the flight. Now you would be thinking, why we took the y component? Why not the x component, huh? See, we need time of the projectile. We need time of the projectile to go up and down. Plus, if we took the x-axis, then ax would be equals to 0. So it would also make time is equals to 0. Okay? What is a here? A is equals to minus g as the projectile is moving up. So putting the values all together, we have minus Vi sine theta is equals to plus Vi sine of theta minus gt. The Vi sine theta would go there with a negative sign. So it would become minus 2 Vi sine of theta is equals to minus gt. The negative sign cancels out. Okay, and we are left with t is equals to 2 Vi sine theta over g. This is the time that the projectile or the ball took to go up and come down. See, we have 2 here. So half of the time will be equal to t is equals to Vi sine theta over g. And the other half would be equal to Vi sine theta over g. So the total time would be equal to 2 Vi sine theta over g, okay? Now look, what is the equation telling us? The equation is telling us that if we perform this experiment on the moon, where the value of the g is 6 times less than that on the earth, the time taken by the projectile would increase. So it's really fun to know what the equation tells us, and seriously, it gives us an insight about the world, how things are going around the world. So you can also find it out by second equation of motion and check it out by yourself. And make sure to subscribe the channel if you're new. Thank you.